Morning. Thanks so much for joining us here in New York City, and for those on the live stream for joining us around the world. Our mission is to bring a more helpful Google for you. It means creating products like these. So I'm excited to share an update with y'all. Stadia will be available on November 19th. With Pixel Buds, help is there when you want it, and the experience just comes to you, even when your phone's not in your hand. You can just say, "Hey, Google," and ask the assistant for whatever you need. Pixel Buds even have a long-range Bluetooth connection. Indoors, Pixel Buds will stay connected up to 3 rooms away. And outside, they'll work across an entire football field. Pixel Buds gives you plenty of battery life. You'll have 5 hours of continuous listening time on a single charge, and up to 24 hours when you're using the wireless charging case. You can see Pixel Buds fits almost flush with the ear. They're so small and light, it's easy to forget you're wearing them. Now, you typically have to choose between great sound and awareness of the world around you. But Pixel Buds gives you both with a unique hybrid design. The earbuds gently seal the ear for rich bass and clear highs, and the spatial vent underneath reduces that plugged ear feeling and lets through just the right amount of environmental sound. On the software side, Pixel Buds respond to your surroundings with the new adaptive sound. The volume dynamically adjusts as you move from the quiet of your home to a subway or noisy cafe. When you're on a call, beam-forming mics focus on your voice, so a loud restaurant or a windy day won't get in the way of your conversation. Pixel Buds will be available in the spring of next year, and we'll share more details in the coming months, including a few of the helpful experiences that make good use of the on-device machine learning chips.
One of our earliest projects we tackled within hardware team was designing a new kind of laptop that could deliver performance and versatility in a truly beautiful form. So over the past couple of years, we've been working really hard to bring that kind of experience to even more people at a more affordable price. We wanted to create a thin and light laptop that was really fast and also have it last all day. And of course, we wanted it to look and feel beautiful. We landed on Pixelbook Go. Pixelbook Go comes in just black and not pink, one of the iconic colors we introduced on Pixel 3. And we created a new rippled, wavy bottom that's easy to grip. Pixelbook Go is lighter than Pixelbook, but we still managed to add a battery that is 15% larger. We ended up with keys that feel great to use and are even quieter than the original. And with Chrome OS, Pixelbook Go is always fast, secure, and all your devices stay in sync with each other. Everything about Pixelbook Go is designed to address real user needs for an affordable price. You can pre-order it now in just black, with not pink coming soon.
I'm excited to give an update on Google Nest and our mission to create the helpful home. And today, we're introducing the next generation Nest Mini. Colors really help Mini blend naturally into your home. And you now have a new color option called Sky. All of our fabric is made from 100% recycled plastic bottles. So we added a simple wall mount. It really looks great anywhere in your home. 2x stronger bass and even more clear and natural sound. And for those times when your home gets loud, like it does at mine, we added a third mic to hear you better in noisy environments. So for the first time, core experiences of the Google Assistant can come from the data center and be moved instead to run locally on your device. Simply put, things are going to get a lot faster as it learns your family's most frequent commands. So that's the new Nest Mini. OK, now let's talk about home awareness. For one monthly rate, you get Nest Aware support across all your Nest devices in your home. And you can choose between 2 different pricing plans, depending on your needs. We even added more video history. The new Nest Aware will be rolling out early next year, and it'll be easy to switch over your existing plan. Sound detection AI to pick up critical sounds like barking dogs or smoke and carbon monoxide alarms. and we send an alert to your phone. So now in one go, even those basic smoke alarms become smart smoke alarms. Let's talk about home connectivity. You can have the best home setup in the world, but it's nothing without great Wi-Fi coverage. The router plugs into your modem and creates a powerful home network. The point expands your coverage. Now, working together, they create a single strong Wi-Fi connection throughout your entire home. The Nest Wi-Fi system only needs one router and one point to cover around 85% of homes in the US. Lastly, we added a Google Assistant smart speaker to the Nest Wi-Fi point. So it does everything the Nest Mini does: better coverage, smart home support, and the Google Assistant. It'll be available starting on November 4th.
Pixel 4 introduces entirely new, helpful experiences with more natural interactions. It's a completely redesigned with a new look, a new color, and a beautiful new finish. Pixel 4 is the first smartphone with a radar sensor. It powers the new motion sense capabilities for more human interactions with your phone. Pixel 4 has the fastest secure face unlock on a smartphone because the process starts before you've even picked up your phone. Motion Sense prepares the camera when you reach for your Pixel 4, so you don't need to tap the screen. Motion Sense can power down your phone when you walk away and turn it back on when you approach your phone. It also lets you control your Pixel with simple gestures. Swipe to skip a song, silence a call, wave hello to Pikachu. You can turn Motion Sense on or off at any time, and when it's on, all of the sensor's data is processed right on your Pixel. It's never saved or shared with other Google services. You can quickly open apps, search across your phone, share what's on your screen, and a lot more. Just give Pixel 4 a quick squeeze. Show me Maggie Rogers on Twitter. What are her concert dates? Share this with Vivian. Reply, let's go see her. Open Ticketmaster.com. Search for Maggie Rogers events. A key way we're making the assistant this fast is with an on-device version of our language models that run in our data center, so they can run locally right on your Pixel 4. Now, how many of you have tried a voice recorder app? We created a new kind of audio recorder that taps into our speech recognition and AI. As you can see, with one tap, I can get Recorder transcribing my words in real time as I'm saying them. Now, to show this is live, it is now 10:44, and it's pretty accurate. And now I can go into the search bar and find whatever I'm looking for. I can search for sounds, words, phrases. Let's see all the times I've mentioned Pixel across my entire library of recordings. The places where the word Pixel are said are highlighted in yellow in the playback bar, so you can dive into the exact part of the recording you're looking for. All this recorder functionality happened on device. Pixel 4 is also our first smartphone with a 90 Hz refresh rate. And we've added some smarts. The refresh rate adjusts on its own depending on what you're doing. So Pixel 4 comes with 3 months of Google One for new eligible members. You get lots of premium features, including Pro Sessions for one-on-one virtual help. The new Pixel comes in 3 colors: just black, clearly white, and a limited edition called Oh So Orange. It also comes in 2 sizes, both with the same features and both available for pre-order starting today. Shipping starts on October 24th. And we're excited that people will be able to find Pixel in even more places. We're expanding our carrier partnerships. So Pixel 4 is now available through every major US carrier. With Pixel 4, we're raising that bar yet again. And it all starts with this little square, basically a miniaturized camera rig right on the back of your phone. You can see the rear, wide, and telephoto cameras, a hyperspectral sensor, a mic for your videos and Instagram stories, and a flash that we hope you'll use mostly as a flashlight. But it's there just in case.
We capture a burst of up to 9 pictures. These pictures are deliberately underexposed to avoid blowing out highlights. We align them using software and average them, which reduces noise in the shadows. This lets us brighten the shadows. It's a zoom taken from way back here. Now, if we have an intrinsically HDR camera, we should have HDR controls for it. Pixel 4 has dual exposure controls. And lower the brightness slider a bit. That mainly changes the capture exposure. Then you lower the shadows slider a lot. That mainly changes the tone mapping. And voila, you get a different artistic vision. So you get truer colors, especially in tricky lighting. Here's a tough case, an ice cave. It's blue light, but not a blue person. And here's what it looks like with Pixel 4's white balancing. You could have taken this dusk shot using Pixel 3 last year. Using Pixel 4, you can take this nighttime picture from the same viewpoint. This is not daytime, it's the middle of the night, and the landscape is illuminated only by the moon. To sum up, 4 new computational photography features. Live HDR Plus with dual exposure controls, learning-based white balancing, wider range portrait mode with an SLR bokeh, and night sight with astrophotography. Oh, and remember, you can use night sight for many things besides stars. Many things. So go out there and be creative with Pixel 4.
With the introduction of our new Pixel phone, Pixel Buds, Pixelbook Go, Nest Mini, Nest Wi-Fi, we're taking a big step towards this vision with much more to come. Thanks so much for joining us today, and we'll see you again soon. Thank you.